Now let us study 3.3 algebra 3.3 का 6th sum. The sum of 55 first 55 term is an AP is 3300 and we have to find the 28th term. Okay, so let's begin. Now see, the sum of first 55 term is an AP is 3300. Okay, so it is given the sum of, so Sn. So S55 is 3300. Okay, and here we don't have A or D. So we will assume and we get from here 55 term. Okay, so we will first assume that in this AP, the first term be A and the common difference be D. Okay, as we know the formula for the sum of nth term. So Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2A plus n minus 1D, as we have the 55th term. Okay, so as the sum of 55th term is S55 is equal to 55 upon 2 into bracket 2A plus 55 minus 1D. So 55 minus 1 is 54 and other terms are as it is. Okay, as S55 is 3300, so instead of S55 I write down 3300. Okay, now see, while opening the bracket, this 55 upon 2 can be multiplied by first term and also with the second term. So 3300 is equal to first term, that is 55 upon 2 into first term, that is 2A plus 55 upon 2 into the second term, that is 54B. Okay, by cancelling this 2 will be cancelled and here 2 multiplied by 27 is 54. So I will get 3300 is equal to 55 into dA plus 55 into 27D. Now in this first term and in second term 55 is common. Okay, so I will take common for the both. So 3300 as it is, 55 we are taking common. So for the first term 55 comes out. So that is first term is A plus 55 is outer side. So 27 into D. Okay, so 55 we will divide the 55. So I'll get A plus 27D. Okay, so by cancelling 11 5s are 11 3s are. Okay, then again 5 divided by 5 divide 300, that is 60. So I'll get 60 is equal to A plus 27D. Okay, I will consider as 1, equation 1. Now we have to find the 28th term. Okay, so for that Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1D. Okay, in this formula we will put the value of n, that is 28 terms. So T28 is equal to A plus 28 minus 1. So T28 is A plus 27D. So as we know, the A plus 2870 is A plus 2070 is what? A plus 2070 is 60. Okay, so instead of this I'll put down 60. So I'll get T term 28 term is 60. Now in an AP, the sum of 3 consecutive terms is 27. That means हमने 3 टर्म लिए हैं consecutive term, जो लाइन में आते हैं उनका सम जो है 27 है एंड देयर प्रोडक्ट इज 504, यानी वो तीन टर्म जो है उसको अगर मैं मल्टीप्लाई करती हूँ तो मुझे प्रोडक्ट मिलता है 504 एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड द टर्म। ओके, यानी ये एपी ढूंढना है एंड हमें यहाँ पे दिया है ऑलरेडी दैट अज्यूम दैट द थ्री कॉन्सिक्यूटिव टर्म्स इन एपी आर a minus d, a plus d. Okay, so as we had given that we have to assume that the first term, second term, third term, and fourth term we have to take a minus d, and a plus d. Okay, so we are assuming that let the three consecutive terms in an AP be a minus d, a and a plus d. As we had given condition that the sum of three consecutive term is 27. So the sum of three consecutive term is 27. That means a minus d plus a plus a plus d is 27. So by opening the brackets, so I'll get a minus d plus a plus a plus d is 27. Same number or same terms with different sign will be cancelled. So plus d minus d will be cancelled. So a plus a plus a, that is 3a is 27. Dividing both sides by 3, I will get the value of a, that is 9. Okay. Now according to the second condition, as the product of three consecutive term is 504, यहाँ पे दिया है कि भाई their product is 504, तो ये क्या कौन सा प्रोडक्ट, ये जो कॉन्जिक्यूटिव टर्म है उनका प्रोडक्ट। सो a minus d multiplied by a plus d is 504. Okay, now as we know the value of a is 9. Okay, by substituting the value I'll get 9 minus d into 9 into 9 plus d is equal to 504. Okay, now I just interchange the term. Okay, so 9 into 9 minus d, 9 plus d is equal to 504. As we know that a minus b and a plus b is a square minus b square. So 9 minus d and here 9 plus d. So I'll take 9 square minus d square. Okay. So here I shift this 9 to the opposite side of is equal to. So it is in the form of multiplication. So it becomes in the form of division. Okay, so 9 nines are 81 minus d square is equal to 504 upon 9. By cancelling we get 56. So 81 minus 56 is equal to d square. I just interchange this d minus d square to the opposite side and 54 to the opposite side to get the d square. Okay, so while subtracting, I'll get 25 is equal to d square. By taking both sides square root. Okay, so I'll get plus or minus 5 is equal to d. So either d is equal to plus 5 or d is equal to minus 5. So first consider d as plus 5. So the three consecutive terms are a minus d, that is 9 minus 5 is 4. Second term a, that is 9. And the third term a plus d, that is 9 plus 5, that is 14. And when I consider d as minus 5, the first term will be a minus d, that is 9 minus minus 5. So minus minus will be plus. So I'll get 14. Second term a, that is 9, and a plus d, that means 9 plus minus 5. Plus minus will be minus. So 9 minus 5 is 4. So there are the 3 consecutive terms. Okay, are 4 9 14 or 14 9 4. See, 8 sum is also like 7 sum. यहाँ पे क्या दिया था कि हमें 3 consecutive terms का सम जो दिया है 27, और यहाँ पे क्या दिया है, फाइंड द 4 consecutive term is an AP whose sum is 12, यानी 4 टर्म है उसका सम जो है 12 है, एंड सम ऑफ थर्ड एंड फोर्थ टर्म इज 14. अभी यहाँ जो सेकंड कंडीशन थी वो हमारी डिफरेंट है कि यहाँ प्रोडक्ट बताया गया था. ओके तो हमने ये तीनों का मल्टीप्लाई किया था, लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या दिया है, दैट इज सम ऑफ थर्ड एंड फोर्थ टर्म. सो हियर द थर्ड टर्म विल बी a plus d and the fourth term is a plus 2d. Okay, so for the second condition just only we uh, see that the sum of these two terms will be what, 14. Okay, so a plus d plus a plus 2d will be 14. Okay, so ये सम एक जैसा ही है. so just मैं सॉल्व किया हुआ बता देती हूँ आपको. सी हमने पहले वैसे ही क्या किया था, अज्यूम किया था, क्योंकि हमें बताया गया कि ऐसे अज्यूम करना है. ओके सो फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट कंडीशन दैट 4 कॉन्सेक्यूटिव्स का सम जो है वो 12 है, तो हमने एडिशन किया और हमें मिला 12. ओके सो बाय opening the bracket and solving we get the 2a plus d is 6. We will put as 1. This is equation 1. Now from the second condition, the sum of third and fourth term is 14. So a plus d, third term is what? A plus d, and the fourth term is a plus 2d is equal to 14. By opening the bracket, okay, so I will get 2a plus 3d is equal to 14. Now see the first equation and the second equation. The first term, okay, of the both the equation are same. Okay, so we will subtract, but for the subtraction from 1 to from 1 1 from 2 or 2 from 1, so for that decision we will see the second term. So this term 3d is greater than d, so we will subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Okay, so by subtracting, see, second जो equation है वो मैंने पहले लिया, that is 2a plus 3d is equal to 16 minus 2a plus d is equal to 6. Okay, as we are subtracting, the sign will be changed. Okay, so 2a will be cancelled, and 3d minus d, that is 2d, is equal to 14 minus 6, that is 8. So I'll get the value of d, that is 4. Now substituting in any equation, equation 1 or 2, so I will get the value of a, that is 1. So we have the value of a and d, so we can find the term, that is first term is a minus d, that means 1 minus 4, that is minus 3. The second term is a, that is 1. Third term is a plus d, that is 1 plus 4, that is 5. And the fourth term is a plus 2d, that means 1 plus 2 into 4, that is 9. So therefore the 4 consecutive terms are minus 3, 1, 5 and 9. Now see for the ninth sum. If the ninth term of an AP is 0. हमें यहाँ बताया गया है कि T9 नाइन्थ टर्म में T9 वो 0 है. Then we have to show that 29th term is twice the 19th term. यानी जो 29th का टर्म है वो डबल है. किससे डबल है? 19th टर्म से. और to show that means we have to prove that. Okay, so let's begin with the proof. So here we don't have the first term and the common difference D. So we will first assume that let the first term of the AP is A and the common difference is D. Okay, and what is given? The ninth term, that is T9 is equal to 0. Okay, यहाँ और तो कुछ दिया नहीं है, तो T9 दिया है तो हम Tn का फॉर्मूला लेंगे, that is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1D. So that for T9 is equal to A plus 9 minus 1D. As we are given that T9 is 0, so instead of T9 I'll put 0 is equal to A plus 8D. So this is the first equation, or we can say first term जो है, that is A हमें मिला, that is minus 8D. Now according the given condition हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? देखो और तो कुछ दिया नहीं है, बट हमें प्रूव करना है 29th टर्म और 19th टर्म. ओके, 29th एंड 19th टर्म का कंपेयर करना है और वो बताना है कि डबल है. So we will first find the 19th term. So for the 19th term I'll get T19 is equal to A plus 19 minus 1D. So T19 is equal to A plus 18D. We will put the value of A, that is minus 8D. Okay, from 1. So I will get T19 is equal to 10D. Okay, so I'll put equation number 2. Okay, now for 29th term, T29 is equal to A plus 29 minus 1D. So T29 is equal to 29 minus 1 is 28D. So I'll put the value of A, that is minus 8D plus 28D. So I'll get 29th term, that is T29 is equal to 20D. Okay, so from 3 and 2, okay, 3 and 2 हम लोग कंपेयर कर सकते हैं. देखो यहाँ पे T19 है 10D आया और T29 जो है 20D आया. 10 से डबल 20 है. ओके, तो हमें ये बताने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? T29 is equal to 20D is equal to 2 into 10D. Okay, so 2 as it is, and instead of 10D we can put T19. So it is the twice of 19th term. So hence proof.